Spanish skeleton. Still need to change my profile photo. I need to find a new hat, because everyone thinks that... I mean, it's a good hat. Ooh. No, we're going to stick to what we know. Wish there was more hat variety. Especially hats you could DJ with. I think every DJ kind of has their own signature item / piece. I would like to find one. But it is a good hat. Stole it from my sister. I wouldn't have stolen it if it was a bad hat. This is a strange move. I guess he's preventing this. My goal today is to think... Whoa! Thank you for the 5 gifties. To think more before I move and not just do things because I always do them. Like in this position, I was going to go c3 because I always do. But it's not under attack and I'm in a rush. I'd rather develop. Okay, this is under attack. Well, now I see why people probably do that. Because now if I do that, they do that. I could also just trade. Or I could go forwards, pin this, but then you push... And I come here, and if you do that, I think it could be interesting. Because you don't want a castle. Actually, kind of like this plan. But then I give them this for no reason. But also, like, this pin is pretty juicy. I think I'm okay with this. Exactly, because they couldn't castle on the queen side. Now I think we need to defend this. Whoa! Thank you, GMike1G. Thank you for the 5 gifted. Oh my god, I just realized I still haven't paid Chess Bra his subs. Because we're never live at the same time. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. I am still in debt in subs to a fellow chess streamer. He wants to push. Let's let him do it. I'm just going to bring in my knight. And all my pieces. Okay, we're already down 30 seconds. Take. Activate the knight. We have this. Ooh. Bishop moves. I take, queen takes, I take, you take. And you've doubled your pawns. I don't know what that means. Okay, let's take double the pawns. Okay, bring in the rook and attack the pawn. Alright, this is looking good. It'd be cool to get some checks with this queen. Thank you for gifting. Aw, thank you, G Mike. What was your favorite one? I'm curious. I've been kind of not super creative with the YouTube chess content. I really liked Omegle chess, but I want to come up with more fun. Andrea Wars 2000 before Monopoly. Okay, that's a good goal. Oh, it's a reference to a short that was posted. I had a feeling he wasn't making an inappropriate comment because he's a good chatter. I just didn't get it. Yeah, we have 40 minutes exactly, but that's okay. This is an interesting move because it threatens check. And then if you move your king, I can still do this anyways. And then if I take this, I mean, this is just winning the game. So even if you move your king, then I win this. I mean, this is just winning on the spot. Like, there's no way he can mate me. Oh, I see. He wants to do this. He's still not threatening mate, but he's threatening my knight. Duh. Should have saw that one. I would like to get this happening. Yeah, that was a good move. And my move wasn't thinking it out. I could just go back. I should have pushed this first, but you know what? I'm going to go back. Because what is the queen going to go here? So they have a weak pawn in the center. Thank you, Scott. Thank you for the 9 months. Where can we go? This doesn't have any plan. This I could try, but you're going to develop. But honestly, it's more important to play fast. I like the idea of maybe attacking these pawns. Also, this does defend this. So that if I kick this queen out, maybe I could try again. Alright, oh, I guess queen's just... Well, they only have a threat if the queen stays on this file to take on h3, which they don't. And they have to come here. And then maybe knight in the center. I mean, yes, they may sack. I don't know if that's necessarily a threat. I could also just start attacking. Maybe queen here attacking the bishop, then you retreat. I like knight here. But I don't know if I'm worried about this. Because then you threaten mate. I don't think it's worth it. Everything's defended. So maybe we should leave it that way. Okay, it's not worth it. No. No, 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 no. I just realized this. I'd have to do this. And then you do this, you do this. This is increment. I need to catch up on the clock. They have to push. Then what? Maybe reroute. I don't want him to attack this pawn. So I'm just going to defend with my bishop. Because now the rook can't come there. If you come here, I do this. If you do this, I have to defend then, like, oh shit. Well, actually, I can take the pawn, so I just move my rook. But then you take the bishop. Once I get this pawn, it's over. This is mine, then I push, and then I... I don't know why I did that. I literally panicked. I literally... You gotta be kidding. That was the most ridiculous blunder. I had a